Hey guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a collab with one of my friends on Instagram. Her name is Jessie Glitters. I will put a picture of her right here in her Instagram username and stuff. She's actually doing a prom look as well. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how to complete this look, go ahead and continue to watch. Okay, so we are up close and personal. I already did most of my face off camera already. I have the new Morphe palette, the 39S Such a Gem palette, I believe that's what it's called. I swatched a couple of these on Instagram the other day. If you're not following me, it's @FaceByAri, so you can follow me and see stuff. I'm not super active on Instagram, so I'm not even gonna like act like I am, but yeah, so this is what it looks like if you haven't seen it already. So I kind of have an idea of what I want to do for a look, but not super sure yet. So yeah, anyway, let's just go ahead and jump in. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and let's see. I'm going to start with this color right here. And I'm using a Morphe M433 brush. Place that like in my crease and kind of get the shape that I want. So taking a smaller brush, this is from like one of the Anastasia palettes. It's the brush that they normally come with, that double-sided brush. Take the fluffy side and take this kind of like purpley light pink color right here. It's a little lighter than the one that I was using originally. I'm gonna take that to blend out the edges. Okay, now taking the other side of that brush, I'm gonna take a darker, let me see. I'm gonna take this dark purple right here. Yeah, I'll do that one. Take this dark kind of like indigo, and I'm going to put that a little lower into the crease just to kind of define it a little more than it is already. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm just going to take a little bit of the, I'm going to take the same base that I had earlier, the P. Louise, and then cut the crease right underneath that darker purple. Okay, let's go ahead and take a fluffy brush. Actually, kind of like a flat fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that purple that I was using before and put that on the outer corner. And just lightly blend it in. Okay. Alright, so next, the fun part, I'm going to take this really pretty color right here. It's like an iridescent purpley, bluish pink kind of color. It's really sparkly. I'm going to take that with my finger first and place that all over the lid. You see how pretty that is? It's like, it kind of looks wet. It's just really pretty. Going back in with that darker purple, I'm going to smoke out the outer corner just a little tiny bit more. So I feel like no prom look is complete without like a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna take, this is the Stila Glitters in Sea Siren, the Magnificent Metals. And I'm gonna take that and put it on top of this color. And it's literally the same color, just in like liquid glitter form. So I'm gonna take this NYX liquid crystal body liner, and I think this is like, I don't think this is eye safe, so I've used it on my eyes plenty of times, but I don't think it is eye safe, so use at your own risk. But these are from Ulta. I really like them, and I'm just gonna kind of line where that crease is. Okay, I'm starting to like this look now. I wasn't really sure about it before. Alright, I'm gonna take something for my inner corner, because I think that's what it's missing. Let's see. Let's take this. Let's take this shimmery color here. You can't even see it. The shimmery one here on the bottom. It's like a shimmery purple. Hopefully it's not too dark. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner first. Yeah, it's a little dark. I'm gonna put something else on top of it. Let's see. But it is a pretty color nonetheless. Let's take this one, the very top corner. It's like a sparkly silver with like a little bit of a purple undertone. There you go, that's better. I have this right here, which I think would be really pretty. I got these on Amazon a while ago. I just never used them. And these ones are eye safe. So I just looked up like eye safe glitters, and these came up. They were like, I think it was a pack of 6 or something. So I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit like in the center of the lid using the NYX glitter primer. And I'm going to go ahead and just tap this right in the center. Okay, so I think that really completed the look. You see how pretty and sparkly that is? Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish my face off camera and add some lashes. I think I'm just gonna do just a plain old wing liner. Alright, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes. I'm using the style Vidya from KGLO Glam. I actually have a code with them if you guys are interested. It's RE15 if you want to save a little money, you get 15% off. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I do have a code with them. So anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna use Fenty Girl Next Door. Actually, no, I'm gonna use Chic Freak. That's the sparkly-ish one right here on the bottom. I'm gonna use that because I think this like peachy pink will look really pretty with this look. And I don't know, Fenty has some of like the best highlighters like ever. Yeah. So off camera, I just added some blush as well. I used Milani Fantastico Mauve, which is like a purpley mauve-y shade, and then I also on top of that used Dulce Pink from Milani as well, that just has a little bit of sheen to it. I really like that combination a lot. I have been becoming a blush person, and I don't know what has gotten over me because I used to like hate blush, but something about it. So for lips, I think we're gonna keep it kind of neutral because the eyes are like the focal point of the look. I went ahead and lined them already with Chestnut Liner from MAC, which if you have been watching me for a while, you guys know this is like my go-to liner. I wear it with like everything. So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade from Jolie Cosmetics. It is Focoso, I think that's what it's called. I got this in my Ipsy bag a while ago, but I really like the color. So put that on. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, this is really not what I had in mind when I first started out, but I like how it turned out nonetheless. So yeah, as I said in the beginning of this video, it was done in collaboration with one of my friends on Instagram. Her name is Jessie Glitters. So be sure to check her Instagram out and her YouTube videos as well. So she did a prom look as well too on her channel, so I will link her video below as well. And if you're coming from her channel, hi, I'm Ari, so go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. If you're not, then thank you for coming back and rocking with me. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.